is 0.999999999 infinitely many nines is equal to 1? To answer this mysterious question, I will present 3 proofs to why this is actually true. So the first proof I'm going to show you is that I'm going to try to calculate the differences between these two expressions. So I'm going to calculate 1 minus 0.99999 and so on. So our difference will be 0.000000 and so on. Well, we're expecting to have a 1 somewhere right here, but the reality is that there are infinitely many zeros. But since there are infinitely many zeros, we can conclude that the difference is indeed equal to 0. And since the difference is equal to 0, then these two expressions are equal. Alright, if that doesn't sound convincing enough to you, I'm going to show you the second proof. So consider the fraction 1 over 3. Its decimal representation will be 0.3333, infinitely many 3's. And then, what is the decimal representation of 2 over 3? Well, we can express this as 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So this will be 0.33 so on, plus 0.33 so on. So we can just add these, so we get an answer of 0.6666 infinitely 6's. And finally, what is the decimal representation of 3 over 3? Using a similar method, we can have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So this will be 0.666 and so on, plus 0.333 and so on. So this will be 0.99999 infinitely many nines. However, we also know that 3 over 3 is exactly equal to 1. So it is right here. 1 is equal to 0.99999 and so on. Alright, if that proof still doesn't convince you that 0.9999 is equal to 1, well, I have a final proof, and this uses algebra. So assume that the variable x is equal to 0.99999 and so on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. Well, it works with any power of 10, but for simplicity purposes, I'm going to use 10. When I multiply x by 10, the decimal dot right here moves 1 unit to the right side. So this will be 9.99999 and so on. Notice that we can split the whole number part and the decimal part, so this will be 9 plus 0.9999 and so on. And knowing that this is equal to x, as in our previous assumption, we can substitute that right in. So we have 9 plus x. And then we have a simple linear equation to solve, which gives us that x is equal to 1. So here it is again. 1 is equal to 0.9999999 and so on. So what do you guys think about this equation? Is this true or false? Let me know your answer in the comments below. Anyways, thanks for watching this video.